The eLearning Guild has been focused exclusively on learning technologies for more than 10 years now. For us, mobile learning is an amazing evolution in our industry. As learning professionals, we don't have a choice. We have to go after mobile learning. We have to figure it out. We have to create the strategies. We have to sort the technologies that enable us to deliver effective learning on mobile devices. And mLearnCon is the event where you're going to learn about those strategies. You're going to see case studies with proven solutions. And you're going to be able to take all of that back to your organization and make mLearning work in your organization.
The mLearnCon program addresses the needs for different types of learning professionals. If you're a learning manager, you'll be able to hear from other learning managers who are talking about how they have successfully implemented mLearning as part of their learning initiatives, as part of their learning strategy. If you're a developer, you'll see many kinds of tools and development techniques. If you're a project manager, there are differences from managing an mLearning project versus an e-learning project or a classroom training project. If you're an instructional designer, we look at design not just from the content and the instructional design, but also from the user interface and user experience, because that's very important with mobile learning.
This year, more than 40% of the program is case studies, where people actually took these ideas and deployed them in their organizations, and now they've come back and they're sharing what they've learned. And this is an opportunity for you to come and discover what are the potentials of mobile learning, how it can work in your organization, but more importantly, to actually get strategies for putting it to work in your organization right now.
The mLearnCon Expo this year has over 30 vendors. This is 30 vendors that are highly focused on supporting mobile learning. And if you want to get mobile learning done in your environment, within your enterprise, these are the folks that will help you make it happen.
The unique thing about mLearnCon is that it's the only conference that's specifically focused on mobile learning. There are conferences about things that include mobile learning, but this one is focused specifically on mobile learning, and that's a game changer.
The standards that are set are being set now. So if you're interested in seeing how you can contribute to the discussion, I think mLearnCon is a great event to meet people, meet the pioneers, meet the vendors, meet the implementers, early adopters, and be part of the conversation.
If you really care about where the future of e-learning is actually headed, not just e-learning in terms of coursework, but e-learning in terms of the entire spectrum of what e-learning can be, you need to be at mLearnCon. This is probably the most important mLearnCon, maybe one of the most important conferences this year.